Mercedes' current Malibu actually hasn't been on sale for all that long. It was redesigned for the 2016 model year. But the American car company already has a refresh in the works, as shown by the spy photos above. From what we can see, the refresh will make some noticeable changes to the lighting and front grille. The midsize family sedan's biggest changes are up front. Starting with the grille, the overall shape is similar to the current model, though some angles seem to show a slightly wider lower section. The simple horizontal chrome slats in the grille are also gone, in favor of slats that dip in the middle. The headlights and fog lights have seen changes as well. The headlights seem to feature more chrome than the dark, smoke units of the current model, and they have a couple more elements. The fog lights are particularly different in that they aren't slim streaks of LED lights anymore. Now they're slightly more traditional, large quadrilateral shapes. The last of the note for the design changes are at the back of the Malibu. Things are mostly the same back here, but the taillights are completely new. They have a more aggressive, geometric design for the elements, along with bright LEDs. They also appear more puffed up than current model's lights, with the edges of the units protruding farther from the bodywork. Aside from the lights, the lower portion of the rear bumper has been tweaked a bit for the version with the 2.0-liter engine, as it now has wider exhaust outlets. As with the last time we covered the updated Malibu, our spy photographer suggests the Malibu could get the diesel from the Cruze and Equinox. It's possible, especially since both vehicles share gas engines with the Malibu. However, since the Malibu Hybrid already offers impressive fuel economy numbers of 48 miles per gallon city and 45 miles per gallon highway, it might be difficult to differentiate and justify the diesel engine, which in the Cruze can manage 52 miles per gallon on the highway, but 30 miles per gallon in the city. We expect the updated Malibu to appear for the 2019 model year.